Well, we did have one casualty from the freeze. I did drain these lines and blew them out, but when I turned this one off, I never did open this valve back up. And this is a ball valve, quarter-turn ball valve, and so when you shut it, there's still a column of water inside of that. To close it, there's a ball that turns in there, and that seals off on both ends. Well, that ball, when you close it, it's got the hollow part still inside. It's going to hold some water, and as soon as you close it, it's still got water inside that little ball. Well, if you don't open this back up after you drain your lines, that water's still inside there, and what happened is that water froze and busted the side out.
That rusty thing?
That rusty thing is a paint can opener.
A paint can opener? Wow.
Alright, you ready? We're going to change this out.
Okay.
Okay, so stand on this other side and open it because it's going to spray right here. There's a crack in it. Alright, undo the water hose. Okay, good job. Alright, now I'm going to twist this off.
That's scaring me.
Okay, you ready? I'm going to let you take it all the way off.
Okay. So take this off?
Mm-hmm. Twist it the other way. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. And hold on to it so it doesn't fall. That's okay. Alright, we're going to take this old Teflon tape off.
You have a lot of rock collections. More than me. Here you go.
Okay, just set it to the side. Alright, so when you put this tape on, you want to put it on so that the way that you're twisting doesn't undo it. So right now I'm doing it backwards. So you want to go
forwards.
You want to go the direction. Still did it backwards. You want to go the direction that you're going to twist the valve on. And you just put a couple wraps. Just like that. And then just twist this new one on.
Oh, it's gold! My favorite color now. It's this shiny color. Which way?
The big end, this end with the these threads are called female threads, and this is called a male thread. And so this has male thread on it, and so you screw the female thread onto the male thread. And then when you get it tight as you can make it, then I'll tighten it all the way.
What's this for?
That's the handle that turns it on and off. It's just like this handle, but it's instead of having just one leg sticking out, it's got a little wing on each side. I looked for one of these, but they were sold out of these, so we had to buy one of those.
You
got it tight enough? Okay, I'll finish it off.
I got it.
Just don't cut your hands on those threads.
What's this?
That's Teflon tape. That's the lid for it. You want to feel it?
It doesn't have anything sticky.
Thanks for watching, guys. If y'all enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more.
Hello.
Catch you on the next one. Perfect. I have to go turn the water main back on.
Oh. Can you do it right now? Because I have to wash these off for your collection.
That's an arrow.
This is the arrow?
That's a arrow shaft.
You mean connected to this?
When an animal comes in there and steps, they push down on this and it trips this. See, right now they can walk in there and eat. And then when they step on that thing, it pulls on this cable. And they get stuck in there. And then you can move them. Pretty
Just
cool,
like
huh?
Foxes.
That's right, foxes and raccoons and possums.
Just like that guy that was catching the stuff on that movie that we